Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nimbus Gaming here, coming back to you guys with an unboxing video. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a PC gamer, and unfortunately the monitor I have came out, I believe, in 1995. The year I was born, by the way. Unfortunately, the frames per second on this computer are not the best. I actually have to wear these glasses due to that monitor, which is terrible. I'm the worst player on my team, and all that because of the monitor I have. Luckily, I know somebody at Best Buy who knows somebody who knows somebody who recommended I get the following product with the 27-inch Dell monitor. Now this is a flat panel LED screen display, and you could also actually go ahead and get this monitor in 24 inches as well. It has 144 refresh rate and it's 1 millisecond response time. Now that's incredible if you have an impressive graphics card to go along with it. Aside from that, it's also G-SYNC compatible, and not to mention that it comes in 2K quality. Now, I know it's not 4K, however, there are some monitors out there that are still displaying out qualities of 1080. So 2K to 1080, I pick 2K any day. So let's get right into the unboxing. All right, so here we have the Dell monitor. Now this is a 27 inches, like I said earlier. You could also go ahead and get this bad boy here in 24 inches if that's what you guys prefer. If you guys prefer a smaller monitor size. Now I got the 27. Now let's just go ahead and open this up right here so we can see what we have inside. Right. By the way, side of the box, back of the box, nothing really interesting there. Alright. Okay, so the first thing I see right here is the power supply cable. Have that there. Now here we have a 3.0 USB. As you can tell here, this is going to be the side that's going to go ahead and go behind the actual monitor itself, and then the USB side you're going to go ahead and connect to the actual computer. Now what this cable is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to use any further USB ports that the actual monitor has. That way you don't waste any of the USB ports that you have on the actual tower itself. So this comes in handy. The next cable we have here is going to be the display port cable. Now obviously this is going to give you better overall graphics compared to an HDMI cable. Not that an HDMI cable doesn't work, this would just be the better route. Alright, here we have the bracket for the TV itself. Look at me, the TV. The bracket for the monitor itself, right here. Pretty heavy. This looks like it's gonna be the base. And yeah, here we have the base. So if we just go ahead and connect to the bracket. So just to give you guys an example of how it's gonna look. Right here we have the installation guide. Pretty basic. This also lets you go ahead and flip the monitor to a 90-degree angle, so you go ahead and put it in a vertical view instead of the horizontal. Have that there. So say we have the safety and regulations, basic paperwork here, nothing new. Yeah. Put that there. Alright. And on this side, alright, now for the actual monitor itself. Now this is the exciting part right here. Ooh. This is nice, guys. This is nice. I'm gonna have to end this video here because this is too much. Oh man. Watch me drop this now. Boom. Now this is huge. Now this is a really impressive monitor, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty big. Let me just get this box out of the way. I don't want to go ahead and drop anything. Go ahead and move this here. You know, we gotta keep the work area clean. We're not dirty unboxers here, okay, on this channel. You guys know where I'm coming from. Let's move this. Last thing we want is for the box to fall. All right. I don't even want to touch this. Do you guys see this? I don't know if you guys see this. Are you guys seeing that? Can you guys see how sleeky this is looking? This is crazy. This is crazy. But yeah, anyway, so behind the monitor, you're gonna go ahead and see empty space in the middle where you're obviously gonna go ahead and attach the bracket to, so obviously the monitor itself could stand. Now, the impressive thing about this, for some of you guys who don't know, you don't need to unscrew these screws to attach the monitor to the bracket. It's simple. It's a simple snap, simple as that. So you would just go ahead and lean it, like so. Let's see if you just get this here. You would just go ahead and grab it from the top, like that, and just boom, magic. That's how we do it on Nimbus. In this channel, you guys are gonna see a lot of magic. That was one of them. Now, let's look at this here. Wow. Wow. Now this monitor again is really impressive in size. Again, it's only 27 inches, so that just goes to show you how big the display on this actually is. Now again, the monitor I'm using currently is like 10 inches, so that's ridiculously small. So you can imagine how I'm feeling right now. This is super impressive. Aside from that, I'm gonna go ahead and actually set this up. I can't wait to set this monitor up so I can go ahead and try it on. Let's play some Call of Duty, play some Fortnite. You guys already know we don't watch those videos, keyboards 90s. Well, that's how we do. I'm pretty sure anything will look amazing on this. Aside from that, guys, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video in the comment section below. Let me know what brand of monitor it is that you guys recommend for me to unbox on the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, as it's highly appreciated. Aside from that, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try this bad boy out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.